County in central South Carolina, southeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, east central Aiken County in central South Carolina, northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Aiken State Park, or 21 miles south of Red Bank, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Calhoun, southeastern Lexington, east central Aiken, and northwestern Orangeburg counties, including the following locations: Perry Airport, Fort, Perry, Sally, North, Wagoner, Woodford, Swansea, and Livingston. This includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 127 and 130.